an investor for Strive Asset Management is pressuring Intuit to purchase Bitcoin as part of their for their balance sheet in the same way he pushed GameStop to do it. And so he wrote them a letter on April 14th. Some of it, the letter, half of it was about their anti-Bitcoin bias. What happened, I mean, if anybody's done business with Intuit for a very long time, you can't use merchant services for guns, drugs, illegal activities, Bitcoin, crypto. You're just not allowed to use the Intuit tech stack for some of those things.
Right.
Apparently, there was a Bitcoin group at USC, and MailChimp banned them from using MailChimp. And there's some backlash, and then later the decision was reversed. So part of the letter was him telling them that they need to be more open and embrace Bitcoin. And the other half of the letter was you need to buy Bitcoin. And he's really pushing them to do that. I just don't like any.
No surprise there.
He argues that this is a way to hedge against AI disruption. But arguably, Intuit is building AI. Intuit is deeply innovating around AI. It's not like they're just sitting there waiting for it to happen.
Yeah.
The argument's not good, and I don't want to see Intuit do this at all. Like, there's so many things they could put their money into. Take that money and buy engineers and build better stuff for accountants in the products.
If your shareholders want to gamble on Bitcoin in the public markets, they can do it by buying MicroStrategy stock. But this is, to me, this is just a strategy that the crypto lobby is using to try to push up the price of crypto. Is if they can get every public company to buy a little bit of crypto, that adds up and that pushes the price up. It's the same reason they're trying to get governments to buy crypto. It's the same reason they're trying to get all these like public funds to buy crypto. And eventually, though, you're going to run out of buyers. The reason they're pushing for all this is because they've run out of retail buyers. There's not enough money left in the retail side that wants to get into Bitcoin. People have either gotten in or gotten burned and got out, or they're in and they're holding. So how else do you get the price to go up forever? Here's the problem.
Corporate boards to do it.
You're going to run out of buyers someday. And when there's no more buyers of Bitcoin, what can you do with it? We still haven't seen a real use case for it other than, as a store of value, but it hasn't been a great store of value in all this tariff stuff either. So that argument is falling apart there. Gold. Gold is skyrocketed, but not Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is digital gold, tell me, why hasn't it gone up too? All right.
And if you think about that, like, I'm not sure, maybe there's some corporations might grab a little bit of gold and they might diversify a little bit, but you never hear about some corporation buying a chunk of their balance sheet in gold, right? They usually keep the cash because you want to be liquid so you can buy other companies and make decisions and move fast.
Either invest in your business or give the money back to shareholders. Those are the two best options.
And historically, Intuit's always been a share buyback. They buy back shares, right, and take them off the market to increase shareholder value.
If you want to increase the stock price, that's the way to do it.